joining me in this video. This video is all about NAFTA work permit applications. NAFTA work permits can have 5 subcategories, and they are NAFTA professionals, NAFTA intercompany transferee work permits, NAFTA investors, NAFTA business visitors, and NAFTA trades. This video I'll focus mainly on NAFTA professionals. NAFTA professionals really is a work permit that has a list of professions that can qualify for a work permit without an LMIA application. Keep in mind, NAFTA is obviously only for Mexican citizens and Americans. Obviously, Canada is included into the NAFTA agreement. So anyone who wishes to come to Canada for a work permit under NAFTA has to either be American citizen or a Mexican citizen. So as a NAFTA profession, I'll just name a few profession that is on that list. It's not an extensive list, it's quite short actually, but just to give you an idea, computer system analyst are on this list, management consultant are on this list, and I'll elaborate with that a little bit more, accountants, architects, disaster relief insurance claim adjusters are on there. Graphic designer is another example. What the officers are looking for is, one, obviously your citizenship. Second, most of these require a degree. And if there's no degree required, then they look for years of work experience. One of the ones that I want to kind of focus on is the management consultant. Why this is important is I get a lot of clients that their profession is not on that list. However, we may be able to qualify them under the management consultant. So what is a management consultant? A management consultant really is someone who comes into an organization, evaluates the organization, assesses the market for that organization, and potentially makes recommendations to upper management in regards to improvements towards that organization. They're not really individuals that do the day-to-day job. They're not really working, if you will, but they are advising, recommending, potentially even training. So as you can see, this profession could be in any industry. And so prior to putting a big X under the NAFTA list, if you see that your profession is not on the list, give us a call and let me see if we can squeeze you under the management consultant. Now, having said that, because management consultant could be in any industry, they are highly scrutinized. And so the officers will want to ensure that you analyze, recommend, and potentially train whatever advice it is that you're giving to upper management. And so the documentation really has to be head on, and it has to be accurate for the officer to issue that permit. NAFTA work permits can be done at the port of entry for same-day processing. So that's another benefit if you qualify under NAFTA. If you have an urgent travel date and require to enter Canada for a work permit, then give us a call and we're here to help. One last thing I'm going to mention before I end this video is that a lot of clients may not qualify under the NAFTA work permit. What we can do in the interim is allow you to enter under NAFTA as a business visitor, and you can watch my videos under business visitor section. You can then come into Canada, conduct meeting conferences while we process your actual work permit that may be going under the LMIA process. And so you can watch videos on what is an LMIA and who qualifies for that. But my point is sometimes processing times can be quite extensive and the port of entry might not be an option, and you have to file an application at the visa office. We may be able to get you into the country ASAP under the NAFTA business visitor section. If you have questions about the NAFTA program in general, do give us a call. We're here to help. Thank you, and until next time.